Hi everyone. In today's video, we will learn at least 10 useful English vocabulary words along with their meanings, synonyms, antonyms, and examples. Let's get started. So, the content is I'm going to talk about the meaning of vocabulary and its importance, why we should learn vocabulary. Then, today we'll discuss about synonyms and antonyms, meaning of synonyms, antonyms, and examples. So, what you should do is you should write down synonyms and antonyms. You collect it, write it down in a book, and you read it, by heart it, and use it in your communication. Okay, now let us try to understand the meaning of vocabulary. Vocabulary means Shabda Kosha. It refers to collection of words or word bank. You can tell it is word bank. So, how many words do you know? The meaning and how much you're using it when you're speaking and writing. Now, vocabulary refers to the collection of words that a person knows, understands, and uses in the particular language. It need not be English, for that matter, any language. It includes words and their meanings as well as how they are used in communication. Communication is both oral communication and written communication. So, vocabulary it simply means collection of words. Okay, now why one should read vocabulary or why one should have a good vocabulary? Vocabulary forms the foundation. It is basis for effective communication. So if you want to communicate very beautifully, then you should have the power of words. You should know n number of words. Comprehension means understanding, and overall language proficiency. Proficiency means mastery over the language. In other words, it helps for you in reading, ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ, writing, listening, and speaking effectively. This is very important. Effectively. So, to sum it up, vocabulary is essential for at least these five reasons for better communication. Let it be oral or let it be written. Reading and writing development. Academic performance. Academic means in your college while you're presenting seminars or maybe when you're writing examination. Confidence in speech. So this gives you confidence when you're talking to your friend or to your teacher or maybe when you're doing some kind of presentation. So it gives you confidence. Then it helps in career advancement. So you can get good jobs if you have good vocabulary. Okay, next. Now let us try to understand the meaning of synonyms. Now, what is this synonym? See, students, one thing you should understand, synonym is not a meaning. Synonym is a substitute word. Substitute. Substitute means, for example, let me give you a very simple example. If your English teacher has gone for a long leave, maybe 2 or 3 months, so instead of that teacher, another teacher teaches you English. That is substitute. Okay, hope this is clear. Synonyms of word that have the same or similar meaning. Using synonyms can make language more interesting and help avoiding repetition in both writing and speaking. So if you know many synonyms, then what it happens, it will make your speech or writing very enjoyable. Now for example, amma ಡೈಲಿ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಂಬಾರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ, ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ. So now what are the examples of synonyms? I have given here 14 examples just to make you understand what is a synonym. Now first, bewitching. It also means alluring or charming. So instead of bewitching, you can use the word alluring or charming. Abundant means plentiful or ample. Decipher means interpret or reveal. Ferocious means cruel or fierce. Gloomy, bleak or cloudy. Now the sixth word is admire. It means to respect or look up to someone. ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದು. Synonym is respect, appreciate, praise. Brief. Brief means short period. Synonym is short, quick or temporary. Okay, now eighth word is calm. Synonym is quiet, peaceful, relaxed. Substitute word. Okay, now demand. Demand is ask, request or require. So if you sit and by heart it and use it in your communication, then surely you'll be having a very good vocabulary. Now another word is escape. Flee, run away, avoid. Okay, how to escape from intellectual rubbish? Escape is to avoid, ignore, to pay no attention to. Meaning is avoid, overlook or neglect. Okay, now next word is perseverance. Means determination, endurance or persistence. Ambivalent meaning having mixed or uncertain feelings about something. Unsure, undecided, conflicted. So these words are easy: unsure, undecided, conflicted. Okay, now the last word is magnanimous. Means generous, ಔದಾರ್ಯ, noble or big hearted. ಹೃದಯವಂತರು. Okay, so that was synonyms. Example of synonyms and meanings. Now, let us try to understand what is the meaning of antonyms. Antonyms means the word which is having opposite meaning. For example, light, dark. Opposite meaning, viruddha pada. Using antonyms, one can help in creating contrast or highlight differences in languages. So antonym means it's simple. It is opposite word. Now let us see some examples. Now the first word is calm. Opposite word is noisy, restless, disturbed. Brave. Opposite word is cowardly, fearful, timid. Generous means stingy, selfish or greedy. Fourth word is polite. Opposite word is rude, impolite or disrespectful. Easy. Antonym is difficult, hard, complicated. Arrogant means humble or modest. The meaning of arrogant is durankari. Borrow means lend, forfeit. Dismal means cheerful, bright. Hinder means aid, help. Okay, learners, today we learned about vocabulary. Vocabulary means it is collection of words. And we also learned about antonyms. the meaning of antonym and its examples, and the meaning of synonyms and its examples. In the next video class, we'll discuss more about vocabulary. Thank you very much. Happy learning.